Hello guys, this is Istihak. Welcome to my channel Technical Support Online. Today I show you how to download and install Office 2021 Pro Plus by command prompt. So I'm going to the portal office.com and go to the admin console. Now select billing option, then select your product, which is your purchase Office Pro Plus. In this portal you can download your Office software ISO file or the download file and the product key, which is activation. So you can click, you can see here Office LTC Professional Class 2021, and you can see here the downgrade version 2016, 2019 and the 2021, the latest version. You can use any of your choice. Now I select the overall option and download. It's for product key, the first 5 digit show, and you can show the full product key from here. Now I download the software or Office download file. After download, I open this folder and extract it, Office folder, which I create a new folder, Office 2021. Now all the extract file are new folder Office 2021. You can see here the default some file in here. We don't need this file, configuration file. We delete this and I only need the setup file. And now I want to create Office configuration file. So you need to go to config.office.com. config.office.com is a site where you can customize your Office program like Pro Plus, Standard, 32-bit, 64-bit, etc. So now I am create a new configuration file which I want to create or modify. So create, select 32-bit or 64-bit, it's your choice. Now Office file, you can select here all of the Office latest package 2021, Pro Plus, Standard, etc. So I select Office Pro Plus LTSC. Now I choose the latest version, and you can customize the Word, Excel, PowerPoint. If you want to don't need the desktop mode, you want to select this and select the language pack, English, United States. Now select default, next. Now select turn off this option. This option, if you turn on, when you install the Office, previous version automatically uninstall. So I want to manual, that's why I turn off it. And in user license agreement, turn on and select the product key if you choose default or input manual product key. So I put manual, that's why I use this. And next, overall configuration, next, and export all the configuration which you create. Now save it, XML file, the middle of option, and OK, and save. You can choose here any name which you want. I select default, and the configuration file is created and download. Now I cut this file and paste into the Office folder. Now I have two files, Office exe setup file and the configuration file. Now I want to go to Office download command and the install command. So you type here Office install by IT Pro. This is the Microsoft site Microsoft policy or Microsoft process how to install and download and install the Office 2019 or 2021 the latest version by command prompt. So just scroll down. I have already created the configuration file. Scroll down. You already complete this process, that's why I skip this, and the configuration file as like this, which I already download, configure and download, and the download command is this. So I need the first download command, then second command is the installation command, which I next process. So first I copy this download command link, and I'm going to the folder where I save the Office file. So I am going to the Office folder location, select all and type cmd and hit enter. Then automatically the Office location file open in the command file. Now I go to the download command link, just copy and paste into the command line, hit enter. You can see here only two file is here. After hit enter in command line, then it automatically create a Office folder, which is now downloading the Office full package in offline. You can check in here how much GB or the MB download complete. After full complete the Office file, the command line is the next down, and now I'm going to the browser and select the installation file. So copy this and go to the command, paste it and hit enter. Then it shows the Office pop-up installation, so I select yes. Now Office is installed, running, and here you can see the Office cannot running because Office 2019 Pro Plus already installed in this PC. You can check here, go to control panel, uninstall product, you can see here the Office 2019 Pro Plus already installed. That's why you cannot install Office 2021 version, so you need to uninstall. So I select the uninstall the previous version. So it take 2 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes to uninstall the Office full package, previous package. So just fully uninstall. Now there is no Office in this device. Now I am going to the command prompt and apply the same product, same command, and hit enter. And now you click yes, and the Office install is running. Office Pro Plus is a lifetime product, Office 2019 or 2021, and full package Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, Publisher, Access. You can see here the percentage of Office installation. It takes 5 to 10 minutes to install complete. So it just complete install, and now I exit the command. So I type exit and hit enter. Now I close all of the pop-ups. So now I open the Word file. So click Word, go to the blank page and select file, then account, and you can see here the Office 2021 the latest version is installed, and now it need to activation. and go to the control panel Office program, and you can also see here the Office 2012 Pro Plus is installed. Now we need to activation, so click change product key and you need to the Office product key for activation. So I'm going to the Office product which I purchase and copy the product key and paste into here, then click activation. Now close the Word file and reopen the Word file, and it need to activation with internet, so select internet which is recommended and then click next. Now it takes 20 to 3 seconds to activate, and it successfully activated. So this is the process how to install Office latest version 2021 Pro Plus from your purchase Office 365 portal, and how to download and how to install by command prompt, and how to activation with the genuine product key. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and stay with us. Thanks for watching.